Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to get better audio and how to just fix the overall bad audio in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Warzone, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys have to do is go over to settings. From settings, go over to audio, and then the first thing that you guys can do is make sure that master game volume is 100%, and so is effects, because these are the two main things. And make sure that gameplay music volume and cinematics music volume is all the way down to 0. This should be basic, but some people don't know, and just make sure you have set these values. Anyways, the second thing you guys are going to do is you want to go over to your audio mix, and then you want to go ahead and turn it to sucker punch. Once that's on Sucker Punch, you want to go over to enable or enhanced headphone mode, and you want to go ahead and turn it on. And then you want to go down, and then you want to click on asymmetrical hearing compensation. You want to go ahead and turn that on as well. Now this is where it gets interesting. You want to go over to configure frequency intensity. You want to go over to your left channel frequency, and these are the settings you want to copy. So you want to basically just change the 250 hertz to 40, same as 500 hertz, and then for 1K you want to go ahead and do 10, and then it should be the exact same for right as well. And once you do this, you guys should notice a big difference, and this will definitely help you hear audio so much better in Warzone. And yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.